What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on automatic software updates for your iPhone in iOS 12. Alright, so what we're going to do is go over to Settings. This is pretty simple. We're going to go to General, and right at the top, well, second to the top, you will see Software Update. You're going to click that. Now, right now it says that I have iOS 12, so it's up to date. But if you look at the top, you will see where it says Automatic Updates. That needs to be turned on. When you do that, it'll automatically keep your iPhone updated, so you don't have to worry about being outdated or any software fixes, whatever. So that's how you turn on automatic software updates in iOS 12. So if you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more of how to Apple without the E.